No, it's not so easy. If you are planning to start freelancing, then do watch this video till the end. Because here I am going to tell you the truth that most of the freelancers and people on the YouTube would not tell you. If we search on YouTube, then there are videos that show that freelancing is very cool thing and they earn lots of money with it. But the reality is very different from this. Let me share the truth with you. So let's start with the first thing. Getting the first client. Yes, getting your first client is really very much difficult. I got my first client after a month. After posting my gig on Fiverr, a month later I got the response, and that too I was not expecting it. But suddenly, I don't know what happened in the Fiverr's algorithm, it boosted my gig and I got 2 to 3 responses from it. Previously, I have tried on Freelancer and Upwork. I didn't even got a response from there because I had no ratings, and because of no ratings, I was not able to get any work. And this forms a kind of loop that if you don't get work, you won't get the rating. And if you don't have the rating, you won't get the work. So people who are starting out do not have ratings, do not have reviews, and they're not able to get work because of this. So ones who have started earlier, they have ratings, they have reviews, and they also have done a lot of work, because of which they are able to get more work, and the loop continues itself. So this creates a huge difference between the freelancers who were working before and the new freelancers who are starting out. The next problem is irregular income. Sometimes you will be able to get multiple clients, while sometimes there would be no clients, so you do not have any work to do. Because of which you cannot calculate your income on monthly basis. Like every month I would get 20,000 or 30,000. You cannot calculate like that. In job it is fixed, while in freelancing it is based on your clients and how much work do you get. It depends on the market and overall the needs of the services that you are providing. So if the need is higher, you might get more money. If the need is lower, you might get lesser money. The next problem is, as compared to a job, you have to do more work here. Because in freelancing, you have to deliver the product or the service within a fixed amount of time. You have to give the time frame to the client beforehand, before starting the work. Like you may say that I will complete this project within 20 days. So within the 20 days, you have to work really very hard to complete the project. Within the time frame, you have to complete the project and submit it. And because of this, you may have irregular work hours, and sometimes you may have to do overtime. Like you have to work more than 8 hours a day. And the problem is you do not get paid much here. Because if you compare it to a job or an internship, you have fixed working hours and fixed amount of salary that you get. Here there is a lot of variability. Like sometimes you may get higher working hours and higher amount of money, while sometimes there is no working at all and you do not get any money. And if you want to increase the amount of money that you make by freelancing, you would have to work on your skills. And because of freelancing, you might not get time to work on your skills and practice more things, because of which you might stay back and won't be able to adapt with the changes in the market. Because if we see in recent times, because of the launch of artificial intelligence, there have been a lot of fields that have been created in freelancing. Like you can generate images using AI, you can generate videos and serve this to your clients as a freelancer. While the demand of other skills like copywriting and all have decreased because of the rise of ChatGPTs and other AI models. What is your opinion about this? I want to hear out from you, so write down them in the comments below. If this video was really helpful and valuable to you, then give it a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.